Why should you coat your concrete floor? Number one, safety. Always the number one reason for most people coating their floors, especially in facilities. Number two, cleanability. Stain resistance is going to be a lot easier for you to clean. Your oil that leaks out of your car, you're going to be able to wipe it up now, clean it up, instead of it absorbing into that concrete and making that nasty black looking mark that everybody has right under their car. Durability. You want to protect that concrete. Concrete's expensive to replace, it's expensive to fix. While your concrete's in good condition or before it gets in worse condition, we suggest getting a coating on it. It's a lot easier for us to come out and maintain a coating as for you to maintain concrete. It's also going to give you that finished look in your garage. So if you're looking to increase the aesthetics of your home, increase the eye appeal or the curb appeal, it's going to give it a nice finished look all the way through to your garage floor, which a lot of times is the last things that people do. But there's all types of reasons, guys. I just wanted to touch base with a few. This is Kyle from Amato Painting, and be looking forward to more videos from here on out. Thanks, guys. Have a safe day.